Yes.
Hello there foodies, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Today on the menu we have this quick and easy dinner fix, ideal for a busy day. So without wasting your time, let's get it started. The ingredients we're going to be working with are turkey, coconut milk, coconut oil, a mixture of thyme and rosemary, aniseed, ginger, pepper, and stock cube. I'm also going to be needing some onions, some chopped veggies, chopped onions, bay leaves, and my rice. Do not forget that all the ingredients will be stated in the description box below. So I'm going to start by soaking my rice and leaving it on the side to get rid of the starch. And then I'm going to proceed by blending my scotch bonnet, my whole onions, ginger, and garlic to create the flavors that we are going to need to cook and infuse our meat, because we do want our meat to be tasteful and juicy. Now I'm going to add a glass of water in my blender to rinse the residue. And after that, I'm going to add my spices and salt. I'm going to start with my aniseed, the combination of rosemary and thyme. I'm going to add my stock cube, my salt, and I'm going to cover this and cook it for at least 15 minutes. And stir every now and then. And after 15 minutes, when my meat is ready, I'm going to separate it from the broth, and this is going to go into the oven for 200 degrees for 25 minutes. And then I'm going to keep the broth, which I'm going to need later on. So now all we have to do is to add our coconut oil, which we're going to fry with our chopped onions. And when this is fried, I am going to add my rice and my bay leaves, and I'm going to stir fry for about 5 minutes, followed by my chicken stock, coconut milk, and some salt to taste. At this point, I'm going to stir, cover, and then let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, as you can see, my rice is dried up and it's beginning to soften. So I'm going to add my veggies. And then I'm going to stir and cover for another 5 minutes. And whilst my veggie is getting cooked, I'm going to check on my meat, which I'm going to take out of the oven. And we're almost done. And at long last, it's now time to add our meat to our rice, and I choose to just lay it on top of the rice instead of stirring it, because I want it to remain crunchy and crispy. And just like that, in less than 45 minutes, our dinner is served. And to spice things up, I added this green sauce, to which I have a recipe, and I'm going to leave the link in the comment section below. So if you care, don't forget to check it out. If you loved what you saw, or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your friends, and also letting me know what you think in the comment section below. So till the next recipe, thanks for watching and thanks for your time. Bye bye.